Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Now we are going to start equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Look at the following figures. Each of the square is divided into different equal parts. Each square has some shaded part. As we have seen the fractions, now you can see these figures. Okay. Here half part is shaded. Okay, from the whole square half part is shaded, that is 1/2. And here same size of square is there, but it is divided into 4 equal parts, and it's also half portion is shaded, but we have divided here 4 parts and here 2 parts, so 2/4. And in this figure you can see 8 parts. You have divided the same square into 8 parts, and from the 8 whole half part is shaded, means 4/8. So what is the equivalent fraction? First square is divided into two equal parts. One part is shaded. The shaded part represent the fraction 1/2, that is half. Similarly, in second and third square, the shaded part represent the fraction 2/4 and 4/8 respectively. That is, this is half 2/4 and this is 4/8. As I have said you before, only the whole thing and the all parts are going to come in denominator, and the shaded one is going to come in the numerator. Although the fractions seem to be different, shaded parts in the square are same, that is 2/4 and 4/8 are same as half. Okay, कैसे? ये 1/2 है, 2/4 है, 4/8 है, बट टोटल में से कितना? सब में हाफ ही shaded है. Okay, hence 1/2 is equal to 2/4 and that is equal to 4/8. Such fractions are called equivalent fraction. We can multiply and divide the numerator and denominator of a fraction with the same number to get equivalent fraction. Now, how to find out the equivalent fraction? हम equivalent fraction कैसा find out करेंगे? By multiplying the same number in numerator and same number you have to multiply in denominator. Okay, now we have to find the fraction, equivalent fraction of 1/3. So 1/3 into 2, 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, you can multiply by any number with this fraction, but the thing is that you have to multiply the same number in numerator and the same number in denominator. 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, we get, अभी हमने 2 से multiply किया. If we multiply by 3, 1/3 multiply by 3. Just you can multiply by any number. Just you have to remember the one thing, that is you have to multiply the same number in denominator and same number in numerator and denominator. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So 1/3 is equal to 2/6 and that is equal to 3/9. Same, one more example is here. 8/12. Divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by 2. If we divide the numerator and denominator by 4, we get 8/12, that is 8 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. That is equal to 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. So 8/12 divide, that is equal to 4 upon 6 and that is equal to 2 upon 3. So like this way you have to find out the equivalent fraction by multiplying the same numbers in numerator and denominator. Now here practice zone 3 is there. Write two equivalent fraction of the following fractions. So here 2 upon 3 is there. This you have to solve in your row book. So 2 upon 3 is there. I'll solve here one to show you. 2 upon 3. So what you are going to do? 2 upon 3 multiply by 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, and he is telling two equivalent fractions you have to find out. So then one more time what you are going to do? You are going to 2 upon 3 multiply by 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, so what will happen? 4 2 upon 3, that is equal to 4 upon 6 and that is equal to 6 upon 9. Okay, this is the example. This is the answer of practice zone 3 A1. Like this way you have to solve. We have seen the fractions, equivalent fractions. Now there are some more type of fractions are there. Type of fractions. So first one is unit fraction. All fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fraction. Example 1 upon 2, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 7. तो जिसमें भी न्यूमरेटर में 1 रहेगा that is the your unit fraction. Okay, what is the unit fraction? All fractions with numerator 1. जो भी fraction में numerator 1 रहेगा that is the unit fractions. Then the another type of fraction is there, that is like fraction. All fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. So 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. तो यहाँ denominator में क्या है? All denominators are same. So that's why like fraction. All fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. जिसके denominators different रहेंगे वो unlike fractions. Then practice zone 4 is there. Which of the following are unit fractions? So unit fraction क्या है? जिसमें 1 numerator में होता है. तो this B1 and the D1 is the unit fraction. State whether the following fractions are like or unlike fraction. Like fractions, which are the like fractions? जिसके denominators same हैं. So these are the A1 is like fraction, C1 is like fraction, B1 is unlike fraction and D1 is unlike fraction. जिसके denominator same है they are like, जिसके denominator same नहीं है वो unlike fractions. Now proper fraction. All fraction whose denominator is greater than numerator are called proper fraction. The fractions in which denominator is greater than the numerator, that is the proper fraction. जिसके denominators बड़े रहेंगे और numerators छोटे रहेंगे वो fraction proper है. For example 5 upon 6, 3 upon 7 and 8 upon 9. Then improper fraction. All fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator are called improper fractions. अब जिसके न्यूमरेटर्स ग्रेटर है और डिनोमिनेटर्स स्मॉलर है वो हो गए आपके improper fractions. So here in practice zone 5 state whether the following fractions are proper or improper fractions. तो 5/6 जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है वो proper fraction. Okay. 7/4 this is improper fraction. 8/5 improper. 9/10 proper. 11/12 proper. 12/11 improper fractions. So hope you have understood all these proper and improper and all type of fractions. Now do and documents. Get into pair. Draw a shape in the given space. Your partner will throw a dice and divide the shape into equal parts. As per number on the dice, example, if 3 appears on the dice figure, as per number on the dice, if 3 appears on the dice figure, would be divided into 3 equal parts. Now shade some parts of the shape, write the fraction for it, reverse the role and repeat the activity. So what you have to do? You have to draw any shape. You can draw a circle or a square and you have to थ्रो अ डाइस और डाइस पे जितने नंबर्स आएंगे उतने आपको स्क्वायर में डिवाइड करना है. सो योर पार्टनर एंड नो फ्रेंड्स आर देयर, सो यू हैव टू डू बाय योरसेल्फ ओनली दिस एक्टिविटी. ड्रॉ हियर सर्कल, ड्रॉ हियर स्क्वायर, थ्रो अ डाइस एंड डिवाइड द पार्ट्स. शेप ड्रॉन बाय मी. आपने कौन सा शेप ड्रॉ किया, आपने कितने शेप में डिवाइड किया पार्ट्स में, and write the fraction. Same here also. So in this way we have completed your fraction chapter. Hope you have understood. Now remove your observation book. Page number 6 of your observation book and today's homework is on page number 6. Question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5. I have explained that only you have to do on page number 6. Now let's see the application to apply the knowledge of fraction in daily life. Collect the number of holidays in the year. Holidays, national holidays, festivals, Sundays and other holidays. तो आपको you have to remove one calendar. पूरे ईयर में कितने हॉलीडेज है, नेशनल हॉलीडेज कितने आते हैं, फेस्टिवल्स कितने आते हैं, संडेज कितने आते हैं और दूसरे हॉलीडेज कितने आते हैं. देन यू हैव टू मेक द फ्रैक्शन. पहले नेशनल हॉलीडे का फ्रैक्शन बनाएंगे. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ हॉलीडेज, देन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ संडेज, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अदर हॉलीडेज, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ नेशनल हॉलीडे, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ संडेज. Then what you have learned? You have learned the fractions. Then I would like to thank. किसकी हेल्प से आपने किया? Write their names. In how many days you have completed? You have to write the number of days. Then objective. To instill the value of patience. Patience is needed while working to maintain relationship and be tolerant toward others. Create a flower with 24 segments using 3 different color sheet paper to represent a day in fraction. Be careful and patient in matching the edges of the sheets so that you can able to join the pieces of correctly. So here 24 segment using 3 different colors are there. So you have to cut the papers and stick here. Okay, or you can do write in 6 lines how you divide the 24 hours of your day for various activities. For example, 3/24 hours in the day for playing. Also write the activity which you do patiently. So what you have to do, you have to write the 6 lines. आप 24 आवर्स को क्या क्या करते हो उसको आपको फ्रैक्शंस में लिखना है. कैसे आप डिवाइड करेंगे फ्रैक्शंस में लिखना है. एंड यू हैव टू राइट द व्हाट यू डू द एक्टिविटी पेशेंटली, कामली, है ना. सब्र से आप जो काम करते हो that you have to write. Okay, so like this way we have completed our chapter fraction. So complete it. Take care. Thank you.